Hi there, I'm Jacqueline with Unitech, and today I'm going to unbox the MS650 Ring Scanner for you. It's in this box. Here is our scanner. It's very cute. It's a little, has our blue Unitech and our logo on it, of course. The little silver scan button, and it has a adjustable Velcro ring strap. And it comes, and since it's adjustable, it's got like two little pieces here. It's easy to adjust, so whether you have big or small fingers, it works like that. And we also have the USB cord for easy charging and data collection. And we have an extra strap, which I think is for an extra large finger. So for more information, visit www.unitechbarcode.com/MS650 for more information. Thanks for watching.